you're welcome to Matty Star TV. Okay, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you something so amazing. Okay, so before we get into this video proper, if you know you've never subscribed to Matty Star TV channel, do well to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, click on that notification bell in order for you to be notified whenever new videos are posted here. Okay, and don't forget to comment on this video. I'm going to reply, and also share this video with your family and friends. They need this video, so share it with them. All right, so guys, in this video, I know there are people that have big tummy, very big belly. Yeah, they even develop tires. I call it tires on their belly. Okay, so it's not really, it doesn't look nice at all. It doesn't look good at all. Okay, so but I have a good news for you today. I have a good news for you right now. So the good news is you make use of this thing. This is lemon and ginger. What you need to do is for you to create this ginger into a plate. After creating it into a plate, you now divide this lemon into two with your knife. You divide it into two, then squeeze this lemon into your created ginger. After squeezing it into your created ginger, you now put a spoon into it and stir it very well. Stir it very well. Okay, after stirring it very well, you now drink it. Repeat this for like 3 days. Every morning you take this, okay, repeat it for like 3 days, and guys, you're going to see your results. In just that 3 days, you're going to see your results, because the tire that developed on your belly will go off, and you start having flat tummy. So if you continue making use of it, you see that your flat tummy your big tummy will be flattened. It will be flattened, and you now have a flat tummy. Okay, some people will even be like, I thought you were pregnant or something, not knowing that it was your big tummy. So that big tummy that was affecting you, making it to look as if you're pregnant or something. Okay, you even take your shape. Okay, look at my tummy here. Look at it here. You've seen my tummy. My tummy is flat. Okay, so you have to be taking this, and when you take this, you see that your tummy will be as flattened as mine. Okay, so if you know you've never subscribed to this channel, guys, do well to subscribe to this channel. Give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to click on the notification bell in order for you to be notified whenever new videos are posted here. Don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. Okay, your family and friends need this video, so share it with them. Okay, don't forget this video is about stomach flattening. Okay, so you make use of this lemon and ginger in order to flatten your tummy. Thanks for watching, and have a nice time. Bye.